How to invite friends in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily invite other people. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now here, you'll be able to find an option called Earn Money. Simply tap on Earn Money. And here on the top, there's an option called Invite Now. So by inviting other friends and people, you can even earn some amount. So simply tap on this Invite Now button. So here you'll be able to share it through different social media platforms. So simply select the one with which you want to share it with others. So if they click the link and are invited to Bigo Live, you will get different rewards that you can later redeem and add it to your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.